Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we discuss on WordPress. What is WordPress CMS? In the last two videos, we discussing on Shoptree and Wix. We discuss how we can create a CMS on Shopee and Wix. In this video, we discuss on WordPress. We tell you WordPress features and how to make an easiest and simple CMS. Let me start our video. Before starting our video, we hope you like our channel. Please like. If you don't like our videos, please like our video and don't forget to subscribe us. Let we start our video with WordPress. So now a big one at first glance, WordPress comes with a huge, complicated matrix of a system. However, it is really not so bad. It is also the top platform in the list of best CMS for small business websites. If you are a teach person who loves to go into the backstage of a website, then you are going to love this. WordPress has 90% share of CMS platform on the internet. That's good. WordPress one of the best functionality over all other best CMS platforms availability. Okay. On the internet, it is basically a super bike in a CMS race. Friends, we're discussing our WordPress. So that's nice. Okay, 90% of websites CMS is on WordPress. WordPress has the ability to create almost every website with the use of its plugin. Plugins are the backstone of WordPress. They basically allow you to design your website as you think of. Do you want as you think of? Do you want to create on an e-commerce store? There is a superpower for a full plugin for that. Want to show not to worry, there is a hang rang plugin for that. WordPress is really suitable in terms of functionality. However, like every CMS, it comes with its disadvantage. To the new user, this may be like a dream. WordPress is not really hard to use, but it needs some practice. WordPress has a powerful backend filled with hundreds of tools for change in your website. WordPress want some technical knowledge when you know to learn the backend, especially if you want to make a complex website. I hope you like our videos. We meet in the next video, inshallah. Our course is completed now of CMS. In the next video, we discuss another topic. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.